This is the Greenworks 24V SDS brushless hammer drill.
Powered by a single 24V battery and part of the Greenworks Power All range, this is the ideal tool for heavy-duty drilling and breaking of bricks, aggregates and masonry. The Greenworks SDS drill and breaker features spring-loaded SDS chuck for easy bit installation, handle attachment for additional user comfort and support, advanced brushless motor for optimal battery performance, a simple 4-mode selection including drill, hammer action drilling, vario lock and powerful breaker function.
Power up your performance with the Greenworks 24V SDS brushless hammer drill.